Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about YouTube residual income. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about YouTube residual income. Now, if you've been on my channel before, I have talked about Google AdSense before, but sometimes you can hear things in just a different way, and I'm going to give you a lot of great ideas on how you can build your channel with this video. So, what I would recommend you do to earn Google AdSense revenue is to create a review channel and post one video a day with good keywords and have your video keyword optimized. I had started with Google AdSense. I got approved the end of March, and just to show you some of my results so far, and this is only going to increase with the number of videos that I put up. And I have a review channel and I do a lot of reviews on this channel, and that's my strategy. So I'm giving away a lot of my secrets here, but you can see in March that it was like the very last week in March, so I just had $33.35, and then the full month of April was $4.69. And then we're not all the way through May. Let's see, we're May 27th right now, and it's at $3.75. And this, of course, will vary from month to month. And then depending on what videos are popular at the time, you can see, let's just put this back to since we'll do a custom one. We'll just do like yesterday was going to be May 26th, let's do that. We'll just do for one day. Let's just see what happened here. So, no, that's not going to work. Anyway, just within a day, some of my videos are giving me like $10, $5. So you can see how that would definitely add up. Just the last 90 days. You can see some more of the stats, $877. That's actually since it started the last week in March. So you can see that one of my review videos has made me $175 in the last 90 days. This is another review, $45. So I'm going to talk about my strategy on how to do this, but I would recommend that you start a review channel. And some people tell me, well, I don't know how to do YouTube marketing. I'm like, well, so I didn't either. You can learn, right? That's a skill that you can learn, and you can make some good money with it. Because like I said, this is only going to increase the more videos I get up, and just over time. So the topics that you can do for a review channel is, of course, product reviews, company reviews, affiliate marketing companies. You can do MLM reviews, tutorials on certain tools, and then have a call to action to the description in your video that you can actually make money from the tool. But I'm talking about residual income, like you're just building an audience and having people come to your channel and look at your reviews. So those are topics. Where can you find these ideas? Like what are you going to do your reviews on? First one is Munch Eye. You can go to this channel, and this is where products are coming out, and you can get in front of those launches and do reviews. And you can just look at the sales video and go through it and give an idea of what the product's about. And then launch jacking is where you do that before it comes out, and then when it comes out, you do a review on the product, actually buy the product and do a review on it. But you can just do reviews on products that will be coming out. So when you can get ahead of something that's popular and a lot of people are searching for that, then you can get a lot of views on your videos, and that's going to help your watch hours and get to the point where you can get the Google AdSense revenue. The second one is JV Zoo, and so you can go here again and see on e-commerce business. I mean, if your channel's around make money online, I would say go into business and possibly e-commerce. but that's another great way to find products before they come out and do a review on them. Look in your spam folder. A lot of ideas are in there, like what are other people promoting, and that's a great way to find topics. Also get on other people's or other marketers' lists and see what they're promoting to their list, and then you can do a review on that, especially if it's brand new. And that's another great way to see what's coming out, is to get on the marketers' list, because they're going to be promoting things that are new on the market. Then you can look on Facebook and see what other people are promoting, like on their personal wall, but also you can go into Facebook groups and see what are people promoting in Facebook groups. So that's another great, those are other great ways that you can find ideas to do reviews on. Now, my final thoughts on this are, it's a long-term strategy. And I find a lot of people just want to make a quick buck. And I like to teach people, like, this is long-term, like you're building residual income. Like that, over $400 is 2 car payments for us, you know, and so companies come and go, but if you have a YouTube channel where people are coming and viewing your content, and people are clicking on your ads, then that's residual income. And that you're not, I mean, you're doing the work one time, but it's a long-term strategy where you're going to continue to earn that money month after month after month. And like I said, it will only increase the more videos you get out there, the more your channel becomes popular, because people will come to your channel to see what you think about a certain product. You're going to build a following and an audience. And that's my second point, is that you want to provide value. You want to trust the process, that if you continue to do this day after day after day, even though you don't see results in the beginning, it's the law of reaping and sowing. You're planting those seeds now, where, you know, if you have the discipline and persistence to do this every single day for a year, maybe 2 years, you will be amazed at the money that you're going to be making if you do things the right way, and you do the right topics, and you optimize your videos, and you get them seen, because you can do reviews and not know how to rank your videos and never have them be seen, and then it won't work. So just providing value to your audience and building that audience is going to help you to get to the point where you can get the Google AdSense revenue. And the new criteria used to be, when I first started out, anybody could get it. You know, you just had a YouTube channel, you could apply for it, you could get it. Now, that's not to say that you can get it. Your YouTube channel needs to have some value. You know, they're not going to accept you if you just have like random videos from you at your house and they have no particular value. But if you have a review channel, that is great, because they can put ads on at the beginning of your video about certain internet marketing courses and different things like that, so you would most likely get approved. And the new criteria are that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. And even if you're starting from scratch, think about it. Every single person who has a YouTube channel who is making money through Google AdSense, they all started from zero. So you have to have the vision, the long-term vision about where you want this to go. Like, my goal is $10,000 a month residual income. And because I know another YouTube person who has done this, and he was working full time. And the thing about posting a video every single day is there is no way that you cannot get better at it. You just keep going. You're going to get better. And in the beginning, it's going to feel very uncomfortable to do reviews because you think, I don't really know what I'm talking about. But just do your best. You can go out and see what other people have done on their videos. Obviously, don't copy it. That would be totally wrong. But you can get ideas from maybe blog posts and other people's videos, or just looking at the sales page and just come up with your own spin on it and do that. And it's just, you're going to get better and better and better at it. But you can look at other people's videos just to get ideas on how they do their reviews, and that'll help you to get better as well. But again, just keep doing it. You'll get better and better and better at it. Even if it takes you a year or two, wouldn't it be worth it? Like, let's say you just did this for, and like I said, I just got approved the end of March. So let's just say by the end of the year, I'm at 2,000 residual a month. I mean, wouldn't it be worth it? Even if it took me a year or two to get there, that could pay for my mortgage. So I want you to look at this as a long-term strategy and learning a skill, because I find too many people just want to make a quick buck or just want to make sales. You want to think about, how can I learn a skill that will pay me month after month after month, no matter what company you want to promote, because you can always have in the description below your video your #1 recommendation, so you can make money from that. I'm just talking about residual income. So if you can think of it as a long term, like just put in the work and learn a skill. And the thing that just really gets to me, my last point is invest in your education. Okay, because everybody wants something for free. But let's just say you decided, okay, I'm going to go back and get my degree and whatever and go to college. You would not hesitate at all to pay several $100s to go take like one course, and that's not even going to make you any money. You're just going to get education. I mean, you have to have a lot of different courses and get your degree. Like I paid $10,000 a year to get my degree in my master's in physical therapy. I didn't hesitate to do that because I knew that I would get out, and now I make 6 figures. But I want time and financial freedom. So that's why I'm working on residual income and doing YouTube marketing. But I find like too many people are like, oh no, I'm not ready to invest in that. Well, why would you not invest in something that you can learn a skill from and will pay you for years to come? Because I don't think YouTube's going anywhere. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. And this strategy has worked tremendously for me. Like if you look on my channel here, you can find my story. Actually, I can leave it in the description below this video. But I started marketing like 10 years ago online and had some success, but then major family health crisis, and I quit everything. Like I just shut down my autoresponder, everything. I didn't think I'd be back. And then out of necessity, I had to come back because of all the medical bills. And I started last summer with this strategy. And I started with a lot of other people in this inner circle, and not many of them are still with it. And I don't know if there's anybody besides myself that has posted a video a day. I didn't start right at the beginning because I was still going through a lot of stuff, and we actually are right now. But I started last September and posting a video a day, and it's just part of my routine. Like that's the one thing that I'm going to get done. If I don't, because of what's going on in my life, if I don't get anything else but one video posted a day, then that's okay. That's my one thing. If you've ever read the book, The One Thing, I highly recommend it. But anyway, I'm just kind of going on a rampage here because I want to see people invest in their education in something that actually works, because I invested in a lot of different things, and nothing worked besides this for me. So how do you master this strategy? I recommend you join the inner circle for under $100 one-time fee, because there's a lot of courses that you pay you pay every month. It's one time, and Josh keeps continuing to add to that every single month. And then this residual income strategy is free. Your YouTube marketing is free after that. You get the education, then you market. And I'm telling you, it's not only worked for me, it's the people that I've referred to this that are doing what I say to do and what Josh says to do. They are doing really, really well, and they haven't even been doing it for that long. Not to say that this is going to happen overnight, because like I said, it's a long-term strategy. So the inner circle here, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video, and I have a review on it, so it'll be more in depth on what you get. But for under $500, you can, this course right here is what I'm talking about, the free YouTube free traffic, because you have to learn how to set up your channel the right way, finding your ideal customer. He talks about the 3 types of channels, one of which is what I recommend is a review channel, and then how to set up your channel, do keyword research, because you have to have your videos be found, which in the beginning they won't, because you're not that established. But after you start doing enough, you will start getting views, you will start to rank, but it takes a while. And then you want to learn how to SEO optimize your videos, on page, off page, backlinks, that kind of thing. Do your thumbnails so people click on your videos. You want those to be a certain way. So that's what I would recommend. as far as building YouTube residual income. And I would love to help you do this. Whenever I refer somebody, obviously it's not going to be one-on-one with me, but I just kind of guide you through, like, this is where you would start, because there's a lot of things in here that you could get. I mean, there's so many things in here, the calls, and it's like, okay, where do I start? Well, obviously start with get started, but I would start with this right here, YouTube free traffic. Then I have to show you this because we've had the 0 to 10K challenge, because many people do not have their mindset right, and that's what we talk about in here. You want to get your mindset right, or nothing will ever happen for you. But Josh's product review method, that is worth, or has been worth, tens of thousands of dollars for me. That method right there, and that's what I've just kind of given you an overview of right here. So I hope you guys get some inspiration from this, because YouTube residual income can change your life. It's absolutely incredible. So I hope you guys found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, again, if you're not subscribed to the channel and you want to learn more information on these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, my contact information is in the description below this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online as well as offline, and some incredible bonuses, which do include the inner circle, those will be the first 2 links in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.